Greetings fam, if you are looking at a budget-friendly mini PC that focuses on basic productivity, home use, and light multitasking, the GMKtec Mini PC with Ryzen 5 3500U is one of those older but still widely used value systems in the entry-level category. I researched this model thoroughly across benchmarks, user reviews, and real-world usage reports to see how it holds up today compared to newer mini PCs. The biggest strength here is simple reliability for everyday tasks. The Ryzen 5 3500U is a 4-core, 8-thread mobile processor that was originally used in mid-range laptops, and in a mini PC it still handles basic workloads like web browsing, office apps, streaming, Zoom calls, and light multitasking without major issues. It is not new, but it is still stable for general use. Graphics performance comes from the integrated Radeon Vega 8 GPU, which is actually stronger than many ultra-budget Intel N-series chips when it comes to basic GPU tasks. This means it can handle 4K video playback, light esports gaming, and multi-display setups better than entry-level office PCs. Memory and storage setups on most configurations, like 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD, are enough for smooth Windows 11 use, especially for office work and multitasking. It also supports triple display output in many versions, which is useful if you want a multi-monitor workstation for productivity or trading setups. Connectivity is actually one of its better modern features. Many variants include 2.5 GB LAN, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, which makes it surprisingly flexible for a budget machine and suitable for home office or HTPC setups. One thing I noticed during research is that this mini PC is basically a repurposed performance laptop CPU in a desktop box. That means it is efficient and stable, but not designed for high-end workloads like heavy video editing, 3D rendering, or modern AAA gaming. It is more about practicality than raw power. Thermals are generally okay for this chip, but like many compact systems, sustained heavy loads can lead to warm temperatures and some performance throttling. Fan noise can also become noticeable under pressure, especially if you push multiple apps or 4K playback for long sessions. Gaming performance is limited but not zero. Older or lighter games like Valorant, CS, Go/CS2 low settings, Minecraft, or GTA 5 at low settings can run, but anything modern and demanding will require reduced settings or will feel inconsistent. This is clearly not a gaming-focused mini PC. Another important limitation is age. The Ryzen 5 3500U is an older Zen Plus generation chip, so even though it is still usable, newer mini PCs with Ryzen 5 5500U, 7735HS, or Intel N100/N305 systems will outperform it significantly in both CPU efficiency and future-proofing. After researching the GMKtec Ryzen 5 3500U mini PC thoroughly across the internet, I think it is worth buying only if your goal is a very budget-friendly desktop for office work, browsing, media streaming, and basic home use. It is not a future-proof system, and it is not ideal for gaming or heavy creative work, but for simple everyday computing at a low price, it still gets the job done.